In this video, we are going to talk about question 5 from homework 12.1. In question 5, they're asking you to sketch the graph of the function y equals e to the x. And so you were just choosing among these four which one is the correct graph. I'm not going to choose it for you, but I do want to talk about what the heck is this number e. So just like pi is a number, approximately 3.14, but actually those decimals go on forever and ever and ever with no sort of pattern to them, e is a similar kind of number. E is approximately 2.718. If I look at so it's a number between 2 and 3, and it's a little bit closer to 3. So here I've graphed 3 to the x for us. Let's zoom in a bit. Here I've graphed 2 to the x in blue. E to the x lives right in between red and blue. So here's e in purple. And notice how e to the x is a little closer to the red curve than it is to the blue. And that's because e, 2.718, is closer to 3 than it is to 2. All of the solutions, when I put in, for an example, x is 0, e to the 0 is 1, 0, 1 is on e to the x. When I put in 1 for x, I get for y, e to the 1, I get e, right? That is approximately 1, 2.718. When I put in 2 for x, I get e to the 2. I get 2, e squared, right? And e squared is approximately 7.389. So here's the graph of e to the x. That should help you in choosing question number 5 correctly. You might be asking yourself why we would care about having a number like e, like isn't 2 and 3, aren't they just fine? There are a lot of reasons for why, but one of them has to do with how things grow in nature. Things grow continuously, right? It's not like, for an example, where we have sun on a plant and every day that plant is tripling in size, in height. That's not how that works, right? So here, that model of 3 to the x is limited. Similarly, it's not like things double every day or every minute, right? For any unit of time. Things actually grow continuously. And there are a lot more reasons for why this number is needed and so special. But for right now, I just want you to get used to looking at the letter E and seeing, oh right, that letter is not a variable. That's not an unknown. It's a number. It's approximately 2.718. Thank you for watching.